Food processors have become a staple in many kitchens. They save time chopping, pureeing, grating, and even dough making, but they can be bulky and difficult to wash. They occupy precious counter or pantry space and often come with extraneous attachments that must be stored as well. A mini food processor, on the other hand, is a sound addition to any home kitchen. It's compact, easy to clean, and powerful enough to perform many of the tasks a larger appliance does, just in smaller batches. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best mini food processor. So let's get started. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Stack and Press Glass Bowl Chopper. Whether you're transitioning from solely hand chopping or want a smaller, easier version of your bigger processor, this Hamilton Beach model is easy to assemble and simple to use. Its stackable design takes up little room on the counter, but still offers a 3-cup capacity to tackle salsas and dips. It also has a built-in oil dispenser for making your favorite hummus or salad dressing. The ease of use cannot be understated. Once you stack the bowls, a simple press is all it takes to operate. There are no complicated locking mechanisms or twisting parts. With a 350-watt motor and stain-resistant bowl, this powerful little chopper is a great choice for a home cook looking to simplify, but still have a tool to make short work of herbs and vegetables. For easy storage, the built-in cord is designed to coil under the base. Number 4. KitchenAid KFCB3516BM Cordless Chopper. This model offers ultimate portability combined with modern convenience. It's cordless, fully recharges in under 2 hours, and comes with a whisk attachment for making homemade whipped cream. It's on the bigger side with a 5-cup capacity work bowl, but this affords the versatility of chopping larger quantities of vegetables and fruits. There's no need to bring the blender outside or even worry about a power source for backyard margaritas when the KitchenAid cordless chopper is in your cache. It comes in 7 colors, has dual speed settings, and features stainless steel blades for all your chopping, mixing, pureeing, and whipping needs. Number 3. Cuisinart MiniPrep Plus Food Processor. The Cuisinart MiniPrep has saved me on multiple occasions when I only needed a small amount of an ingredient and did not want the large cleanup a full-size food processor entails. Its 3-cup capacity is perfect for quick pesto or grinding roasted hazelnuts for weekend scones. The option to chop or grind lends this model versatility in food prep, and you can pulse or run in either mode. The blade reverses direction, allowing the use of sharp and blunt sides depending on your needs. Best of all, it has a lid with 2 holes in it for adding liquid. Hello, homemade aioli. This choice also comes in multiple color options for optimal counter decor possibilities. The bowl is dishwasher safe and has a handle for easier transfer of ingredients, and the touchpad control could not be easier to use. Number 2. Ninja Express Food Chopper. Affordable and easy to use, the Ninja Express Chopper has many features that aren't always available in more expensive options. The anti-spill splash guard and non-slip base promise a mess-free prepping experience. The lid, which functions as a splatter guard, does double duty as storage, too. Flip it open to add the motor or flip it closed to use for storing. The bowl has measurement markings for facilitating prep, and there are 2 levels of blades inside to ensure thorough processing of ingredients. The control is a simple button on top for ease of operation. It's on the smaller side at just 2-cup capacity, but considering the advantages, it's a bargain. Number 1. KitchenAid KFC3516BM 3.5-cup Food Chopper. There's a lot to love about this mini food processor from KitchenAid. Beyond the large palette of colors available, this compact processor has 2 speeds and a pulse option to guarantee you get the cut you want. Chop or puree with a simple press of your thumb on top of the handle. The most genius part of this design, though, is the drizzle basin. It serves as a funnel to slowly add oil for a perfectly emulsified dressing. This mini food processor is beloved for economy of space and versatility of applications. The 3.5-cup work bowl locks the blade in, so it doesn't fall out when you empty it. There's a built-in spout for mess-free transferring of liquids, too. The bowl, lid, and blade are all dishwasher safe. That was our list of the top 5 best mini food processor just for you.